Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Fitness Spot. In this channel, we'll keep posted fitness related videos for you. Starting from today, first thing I'm going to share about healthy eating ideas. So without taking your much time, let's begin with the today's recipe soybean salad. It is very simple and very quick breakfast. Also in between, I'll share one tip. So watch this video till the end without skipping. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this, first thing I took one cucumber, as you know it is rich in fiber and vitamin C. Second thing I took onion. Of course, this is incomplete without onion and it has antioxidants and sulfur containing compounds which are very essential for our body. Third ingredient is tomato. It is good in taste, contains vitamin C and potassium, etc. Fourth ingredient is lemon, which is a great source of vitamin C and helps to boost the immunity. Fifth ingredient is coriander leaves. Its taste is very good and it is used as flavoring dish and contains copper and iron. Next and main ingredient here is soya bean. It is rich in protein. I soaked it in the night and separated its water. Guys, please note here one thing. Before soaking, wash it properly and don't throw away this healthy water. Hence, it contains essential nutrients. As I used to drink this water, you can also use this and get your body healthy and hydrated. So always try this tip and you will get the healthy and hydrated body. Few spices here I have taken for flavoring the dish. Number 1 is 1 pinch of white salt. Number 2, 1 pinch of black salt. Number 3, cumin seeds powder. It is a roasted cumin seeds powder. Number 4, black pepper. You can take these things as per your taste, as you like, in how much quantity you like, so you can use it. I had this small amount of cheese. It is also homemade. For the better taste, I used it. It is completely optional. You can skip this. Also, you can grate the cheese or cut it in squares as per your choice. Next, we'll peel off all the vegetables. As you can see, I have peeled off cucumber and onion and wash the vegetables properly. Now, finely chop the vegetables. As I have chopped cucumber, onion, tomato and coriander leaves, seeds separated from lemon. For me, half lemon is enough. You can use as per your taste. Also, I have kept some coriander leaves for decoration. Guys, if you like this recipe, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get my latest videos notification. Also, please do like and comment and tell me how your recipe is made up and share your suggestions so that I can make the better video next time. Now, take a bowl, pour all the things one by one in it, as I am doing. Soya bean, next cucumber, next onion, now tomato, cheese, spices, coriander leaves, and now squeeze lemon. Now mix all the things well and put some coriander leaves for decoration. If you want, you can use chaat masala as well. Guys, now it's turn to taste. Wow, its taste is awesome. Delicious recipe and healthy recipe. Friends, you must try this. Have this recipe at least twice in a week or in alternate days to get the better results. And share your experience in comment box. If you have any query or suggestion, please do let me know and write in the comment box. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.